Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use OPIE WOW, an easy guide to enhance your gameplay. OPIE is a powerful World of Warcraft add-on that revolutionizes how you interact with your abilities and items. It creates intuitive radial menus, allowing for lightning-fast access to spells, items, and macros. This guide will walk you through the simple steps to get OPIE set up and running, transforming your in-game experience with efficiency and ease. Get ready to streamline your actions and play smarter. Getting OPIE installed is straightforward. First, download the add-on from a reputable World of Warcraft add-on website. Once downloaded, extract the contents directly into your game's add-ons folder, typically found within your WoW installation directory. After that, simply launch World of Warcraft. Once in-game, type /OPIE into your chat window and press Enter to open the configuration panel and begin customizing your experience. Now for the fun part, creating your custom rings. In the OPIE configuration window, locate and click the New Ring button. This will create an empty radial menu. You can then drag any spell, item, or macro directly from your spellbook or inventory into this new ring. Finally, assign a convenient keybind to your new ring, allowing you to quickly access it during gameplay with a single press. Using your newly created OPIE rings in-game is incredibly intuitive. When you want to access a ring, simply hold down the keybind you assign to it. This will instantly display the radial menu around your mouse cursor. While holding the key, move your mouse to highlight the desired spell, item, or macro. Once your selection is highlighted, release the keybind, and your chosen action will be immediately activated. It's that simple.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.